Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make apple and celery salad today. It's loaded with the goodness of apples. We'll make a vinaigrette dressing first, then prep and assemble the salad. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. Dry roast some sesame seeds. Roasting them brings out the nutty flavor. They've started popping. That looks done. Dry roast a handful of walnuts. The nuts will provide a nice crunch to the salad and also a taste. I'm getting the toasted smell, which means they are done. Switch off the heat. I'm using a small jar to make the salad dressing, which is going to be a vinaigrette dressing. I'll add in some light olive oil and some extra virgin olive oil. I'm using a mix of 2 olive oils here. Apple cider vinegar. You could use any other cider vinegar or regular vinegar as well. Bit of sugar. Some mustard, a crushed garlic, some dried parsley. You could use fresh mixed herbs as well. Salt, pepper, and squeeze of lemon. We have all the ingredients in here. All we need to do is close the lid and give it a nice shake. This will emulsify the vinaigrette and as a result it will also thicken up. That looks good. For the salad we'll need some apples, a cucumber, celery and the toasted walnuts and the sesame seed. Let's chop up the celery. I think that should be enough. That's enough cucumber. You want to cut the apple at the very end. They tend to turn brown. It's happened with me many times before. Take out the seeds. Slice thinly. Once the apples are done, transfer the apples, celery and the cucumber into a mixing bowl. Shake up the vinaigrette one more time. Drizzle it on top. Store any leftover in the jar itself in the fridge. Give the salad a nice toss, making sure to coat all the apples very well with the vinaigrette. Toss in the nuts. Give it a mix. And that's ready to plate. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Some celery leaves for garnish. Sprinkle the toasted sesame seeds on top. And the apple and celery salad is ready. It's perfect to go with any meal or as an in-between meal snack. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes.